I'm going to address the windows, because that's what's cool about detailing. At least the way I approach it is I'm constantly looking for ways to improve. The mix that I use is distilled water and rubbing alcohol, 50-50, half of half. And no, I don't use the clay bar every time. That's just the initial cleaning on the outside of the window. Let me take you in for a closer view. If you notice something, and this is what I was getting at the beginning, is windows. Ask any detailer, they're a nightmare. I bet that's the #1 complaint of people that go to car washes. So I did an initial wipe down after I clayed it. Now you can see the watermarks, hopefully. So at this point, that's an acceptable level of watermarks for this point, because the next step I'm going to show you is one of my latest tricks of cutting to the chase. The windows have all been clayed. No, you don't clay them every time. Pollution sticks to the glass, the chrome, the paint, based on two things: the area you live in and all the elements that your car has to endure, and your level of expectations. So if you want your glass to always feel silky smooth, you may need to use the clay bar every 3 months. You may need to use it once a month. It's really, a lot of it's just based on your preference. So no, you don't need to use it every single time. That's just the initial. When I do a detail, I'm going to clay the windows because I want them silky smooth and they're easier to clean when that pollution is removed from it. So that's already been done. So at this point, the windows have been wiped on the inside and the outside initially. Like I said, if you have a lot of buildup on the inside, you can use rubbing alcohol and distilled water, cut 50-50 to break down that haze on the inside. But that, once again, if you keep up on them, you don't have to go through that every time. Okay, this is my new technique. I got my Meguiar's window cleaner, glass cleaner. I've got a damp microfiber low pile, and I've got my used microfiber that's dry. So this is based on that the window has already been wiped down on the inside. There's not a heavy buildup of fog or smoke or haze, whatever you call it. I've removed any greasy fingerprints. So I've done all the heavy lifting, so to speak. The outside has been clayed, detailing clayed, so it's nice and smooth. So at that stage, it would be at like a level 90% completion. I just want to finish the last 10%. I take this dry microfiber, my window cleaner, and I spritz it about 3 shots, so it's just barely damp. This side remains dry. This is completely damp, and I keep it folded just like this. Now I've already done this window, but all you need to know is the technique. So I wipe this with the damp microfiber, and I'm doing it in the direct sun, so it basically is what's called flash drying, and that's why I need a little dampness on this. Now I'm going to go and I'm going to basically buff off all those little ultra fine water spots that this left behind. So right there, that's at like 99%. Now I'm going to flip it over to the dry side, and I'm going to finish that last 1% to perfection, just like that. That is my new technique. You don't have to overthink these. I pick a nice, clean, and like green. Like I said, all my microfibers are color coded. They're reserved for specific steps only. This is my window cloth. Okay, and something you need to know about windows is they're temperamental, which means the temperature, the humidity, everything will affect it. So if it's ultra dry, like 0 humidity, this can become problematic because you'll create so much friction or static electricity that it will pull the fibers off of this and it'll cling to it. If that's the case, you just need to spray this maybe 1 or 2 shots more so you got more dampness or humidity on the cloth to compensate for the dryness in the weather. So just know that windows are a pain in the butt for even us professionals. It's one of the areas that's a constant source of frustration for me, but I feel like I've finally come up with the perfect method as far as maintenance and that last 10% of completion when I'm doing a full detail. Okay, so hope you guys learned something.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too.